Hello my friends, welcome to the garden. I'm just down here trying to get a few things done. Got my little helper with me, having some water. Probably soon be helping me as I'm watering. So all I'm really doing here is my evening water. As you can see, I got my loyal helper. So it's good playtime. But yeah, we're in a bit of a heat wave. So to conserve water, I'm just watering in the mornings and in the evening. It's kind of early evening right now, but my garden's all in the shade. So I'm not too worried. The biggest deal about watering is just if you're watering during the day, you're going to get a lot more evaporation than you will get soil saturation. So yeah, and this is some garlic, and it's supposed to be asparagus, but I don't see any asparagus. So I just watered a alligator. That's my strawberries. These are my raspberries. They're golden raspberries. Really tasty. It's mid-May, before our last frost date, but the temperatures are really nice, up in the 30 degrees Celsius. There's a province-wide fire ban here in Alberta. There's already been some major fires, even in my area. We're under evacuation alerts, not too far from where I am. Yeah, don't really recommend bringing your dog or especially your puppy into the garden while you're trying to get some gardening done. They will try to do whatever you're doing. So if you're digging in the gardens, they'll learn to dig in the gardens. So generally, probably not a good habit to be in. Sure likes playing though. I think at this. I'll turn the hose off. So one of the things I am doing today, real quick in this video, is, as you can see, I got a little kiddie pool thing, doggy pool, whatever it is. It wasn't really intended for the dog, but it's a water feature. My honeybees can have access to fresh water close to their colonies, and all the frogs and salamanders that inhabit the area. I like to attract them down here as an attempt, if I can increase the frog population, have them hanging out here all day. Maybe they'll help me by eating some slugs. So it's going to be water features and beer yeast traps. Gotta be careful I don't burn out the. Had to bring in water. Usually I have to rely on rainwater, and bringing in some potable water as the water comes up here out of the. We're in a communal system, so I've signed contract not to use water other than in the house, and I wouldn't want to use it anyways, because it's very hard water. like 800 parts per million. So I have to be very careful conserving water. But yeah, I would like, yeah, don't eat my terrace, please. I would like to get this water feature in here today. It's going to be hot, no clouds all week. It'd be nice for the dog to come down and have a drink. Sure, that's real good for his teeth, her teeth. Hey. Yeah. Everything's more fun with a puppy, right? It's crazy. Earthworm. Toss in my garden. Alright, so yeah, it's real simple. It's got a kiddie pool. Cheap as they come, right? Toss it in the hole that I dug. Make sure there's no rocks or anything at the bottom that's gonna poke through it. I do have some rocks here. This will give the bees something to land on, and the frogs something to sit on and such, or hide underneath. That makes a little bit of a platform out of one of them. Yeah, almost dropped that on your foot. There you go. Get a video of dog barking. This is what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. Instead of getting my garden going, everything out here that is growing is perennials mostly. I got a few things planted. Some peas, some beets. So I'm just going to let that fill, put in some rock features here. And this one will be better. I'm not like a designer or nothing. As long as stuff has something to land on, or if it lands in the water, something to crawl out on. I don't care if it's too clean or anything. It'll work itself out. This water has a little bit of chlorine in it and stuff. That's fine. It's evaporate being open to the air. And I'll keep topping it off with rainwater, and the chlorine will help with the stuff that grows in there anyway. So it's all good. I got myself a nice little seat there. Got some plant holders. Put some flowers out here. I can sit next to my water feature. Oh yeah, let's go find that. Let's go find that. I have a little fountain. I'm gonna get a better one with some PVC piping and make a waterfall. But for now, I'm just gonna toss one of these cheap. See how well the camera does in the dark. Come on. Come on. Let's go. What's this, huh? It's very dirty. So just having a little bit of a pump or fountain or something here will keep the water moving, keep mosquito larvae and such from hatching. Now I remember why I had so many of the smaller pieces, probably to hold the fountain in place. Going for a swim? Yeah, just out here watering in the evening with the puppy. That's about it. I don't know if I'm still recording because I walked away from my cell phone. And the app runs the camera and technology, right? But if I am still recording, thanks for watching. I'll be up with some more helpful videos soon, I hope. As soon as the puppy settles down, I have more time to do things without being attacked while I'm doing it. But yeah, have yourself a great day wherever you are. Whenever you watch this, peace. Water on the phone. Well, it still says it's recording. Stupid thing. Alright, well, if you're still watching, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. Have a great one. Peace.